10 features, which is already we have seen Windows 10 features. Okay, but I will tell once more what is the Windows 10 features. Installation requirements. Recently, I installed Windows 10 in here, so I installed Windows 10 this one recently. Okay, so I'm not going to install it again. So I will share that link. Okay, but in generally, w- once there is certain features you already know disk management. Then we'll see device management. Okay, and we'll see about how to share a folders, how to access the shared folders, how to share a printer kind of stuff. Like few Windows 10 on Windows 10, we can try it. Okay. So application location, I think that is also we discuss, but we'll discuss again. Okay, okay, తర్వాత okay, guys. Okay, guys. First of all, Windows 10 features. So in a feature way. So not only in a Windows 10, guys, certain features also in the Windows 8. So few features which must we know, that is one of the thing is OneDrive. So look at here. This is my OneDrive. So what are the data I kept in this OneDrive? Now, if you are having a Google Drive, especially you have to open the Google Drive or you have to install Google Drive locally. But in OneDrive, by with integrating with your Explorer, File Explorer, it is coming. The data you store in the OneDrive, you can access from anywhere, anytime, any device. You can access the OneDrive data. So it's a cloud integration. That is the one important thing. Very important data is there. Your personal data, personal documents is there. So instead of storing in your system, so you can store in a OneDrive. In case of any virus or a ransomware happens, so you no need to worry because of your data is safe in the OneDrive. So that is you have to configure personally. That is. Next one is Microsoft Edge. This Microsoft Edge browser which comes by default in the Windows 10. Okay. So it is just like we are all using Google Chrome because we are habituated to it. So this is also in as Google Chrome, we can use our Microsoft Edge browser with our default Bing search. Like you want to search something, it is comes with a Bing search by default. Microsoft search engine is Bing. Next one is Cortana. I remove this Cortana button from here. So if you want, you can add that Cortana, like show Cortana button. Okay. So this Cortana, I don't want it anyway. It's just like your Google Talk or Siri kind of stuff. So you can give voice commands. You want to search something from voice kind of stuff. Okay. Mobile hotspots. You can convert your laptop into mobile hotspot. See, mobile hotspot, like you have a 4G connection for your mobile. Okay. So you have a mobile, then you have a 4G connectivity. So you are getting a data connection. You are getting internet through 4G mobile connectivity. You want to share this internet to other devices, to laptop or another mobile phone. So you can share through mobile hotspot, right? You know that one. But what I'm trying to say is, if for example you have a laptop or a desktop, you are connected through internet using a wide type of connectivity. So you're on a wide type of connectivity. Now you want to share this internet, which is you are getting from wire, you want to share to other devices wirelessly. So then you can make this laptop as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Simply just click here. You can see that Wi-Fi hotspot feature also. Okay. Tablet mode. Okay. You may see in this two-in-one laptops type. Means you can use it as a normal regular laptops, and also you can use it as a tablets also. So you can see it is tablet laptop kind of stuff. Surface Pro, yeah, detachable kind of stuff. Okay, so people want to use in a tablet mode with currently I don't want to convert my laptop to tablet mode, so that's the issue. In a Windows 8, the Tails mode is there. So you can see your laptop as like a Tails mode. Tiles, not Tails, it is tiles are there. Okay. So normal Windows operates like you press the Windows button, you will see start menu and this tails, right? So these tails will be cover entire your screen, so you can use it from there. So you can convert normal mode to tablet mode and tablet mode to normal mode. So same here also, it may can show the tablet mode here. Maybe it has to change in our settings. If it is not appear here, you have to go to change in the settings. Okay. So two-in-one laptops. Not only two-in-one, normal laptop also you can convert normal mode to a tablet mode also. You can do it. So when we use, like you want to use your laptop as a tablet, so then you can go to the tablet mode, then you can browse like that. Consolidated settings. The settings, earlier we are using only control panel to manage or your laptop or a desktop kind of stuff, right? And of course, the Windows 8 and Windows 10. In a Windows 10, it is much better improvement with this settings. System related, apps related, search related, privacy, account, device, phone, time language, update, security, recovery options, okay, internet, gaming, all these things will be settings. Task view, virtual desktop. Guys, this is a task view. In a task view, you can see what are the things you have done in the last few days also. What are the documents you open, what are the application you run. So it is shows in the task view. How many activities you have done in the past few days. Okay. Virtual desktop. Virtual desktop. See, in my desktop, currently I open this Google Chrome browser, and here it is I open Microsoft Edge browser, Microsoft Teams is there, and as well as this VMware VirtualBox. So not VMware, it is a VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and a Paintbrush, right? These are the tasks running in my current desktop space. It's just like it's a old concept only, newly introduced in a Windows. Okay, it's a old concept like a Unix and Linux based or OSs comes with a workspace. Now it is a desktop. It's not a desktop virtualization concept, guys. It's not a virtual desktop. Okay, it is a desktop environment. In this desktop environment, these are the things are running. This is another desktop environment, just like a. So I don't know what you are able to see in my screen. Currently, nothing is showing, like a no application is running kind of stuff. Means no window is showing here. For example, I want to practice Cisco packet tracer, or maybe I want to do some other practical like a Python practical. I want to do it, or maybe I want to watch a movie here. So in this desktop, another environment I will put it. So for example, now I'm taking class. I need this environment, which is the class requirements I have open here. Also practicing something parallelly, so I will put that one into the separated desktop environment. Only environment changes, guys. The entire process, everything runs in your PC only. Okay. So this is a task view and a desktop environment kind of stuff. Splitting the screen. So when I'm taking attendance, what I will do, I split the screen like this, right? So I take where is it is like this. Two parts, I make a one window as a two parts. Like that we can do up to four parts. Okay, Diksha also came. Luckily, Diksha also came. Very good. So you can make a window as a two parts or four parts also possible. Just you want to try. Yeah, it is showing only two, but it's not showing four. No, 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 not this. It has to show very less. Like this, it is only showing. No problem. Okay, it's a split screen property. Is also there. Airplane mode in mobile phone. So if you don't want to receive any kind of a signal like a Bluetooth, normal mobile signal kind of stuff, like when you are getting the plane, so you should not be connected to any kind of things, including your mobile data as well as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi kind of stuff. So what you do, you simply will go to the airplane mode. Same, it is goes for a laptop. So you are using a laptop and you want to use a laptop, but no external connectivities. So then you can go to the airplane mode. If I click it, everything will be closed. My Wi-Fi, my wide or Bluetooth, everything will be closed. So I don't want it. Okay. So it's a airplane mode. Screen snipping, Windows Ink features, and whiteboard features also there. So you can simply want to snip the screen, like you can click on the screen snip and select the area you want to snip. So you can paste that snip into anywhere in any other document or a pictures, somewhere you can able to. So this is the simple screen snip. Or you can use Windows ink space kind of stuff. So this is the ink feature, guys. You want to get this one, simply go to right click here. Um, I'm removing this Cortana. I don't want it. So somewhere, yeah, this is a one. Show Windows ink feature. See, I removed it. Again, I will add it. So you can observe. Now this is ink feature. If you click on it, You'll get a full screen snip and whiteboard also. You can want to write something on a whiteboard and save or share. You can use from the whiteboard. With your Microsoft login also, you can save it for a longer time. Now, last class, I explained something on this one, nat pat kind of concept. So pat technique. So this is like this. Okay. Now, if you want a new one, so then you can search for a new one. This is so many things are happening. I will take this one. I'm taking existing one only. So I want to clean up. You can get a lot of things from it. Note text shapes. Okay, you can draw a shape here. Okay, you can put a text inside. Next, reactions, images, documents, links, videos, templates. So what are the templates? Okay, something like that. So we don't know that much. Okay, you can write. Yeah, you can increase the stylish size. Okay, you can paint kind of stuff. You can add a text like this. Just yeah, it is. It is very good for you to do all these things. You can right. So this is my Windows 10 PC. This is another Windows 10 PC. I have a data here. So I want to access this data from here. Both are connected in the network. So like that, you can paint anything. Okay. So Windows ink space and whiteboard. Other than whiteboard, what is there? So we'll see this ink feature, guys. Full snipping. Already, you may not seen that kind of stuff. Okay. See, this is the full snippet. You want to do something like you want to cut the some data from here. Okay. And you want to highlight some lines. Okay. You want to draw or underline something. Okay. Even you can put a straight line kind of stuff here. This part is also okay. Why it is not leaving? That's how it is removed. This is only black one. This is only black one, and so either it is different colors. This also different colors. You can change the color. Okay. And you can take new snip in 10 seconds delay, 10, 5, 3 seconds delay. Snip also you can take it. So you can take it. So a particular part from here like this. Okay. Oh shit. location and mapping. So he can see here it is location. So you want to put your like a location sharing, or maybe you want to know where you are located through internet. It can be updated. You can update maps. You can download a maps. You can get the route maps kind of stuff, like a Google Maps kind of stuff. So Microsoft by default it is Bing search is also providing. For example, in search, you're typing for your application. It okay. Otherwise, like for example, I'm searching for a Hyderabad. See, so then Hyderabad related Bing search result it is showing. Okay, Hyderabad weather. It shows in a Bing search part. Windows Hello features. It is used for a sign-in purpose, guys. So passwords, picture passwords. You can go to settings, go to system, not system, account. No. It is apps, accounts, sign in options. Okay. So I can set up my password for my account. So login passwords, I can change it. Picture password. So you require a picture. In the picture, you have to select certain areas like this, like this, like this. You have to select certain areas as a password. Pin password in mobile phone, you can configure a pin password, right? Pin password, fingerprint password. But fingerprint password required? Fingerprint required thumb impression that a hardware device is required. Either it is built in your laptop, maybe additionally you are connecting it. Face, it's required a cam to recognize your face. Security key, it's just like a pen drive kind of stuff. It's there in with the key. If you insert that key, system will open automatically. Okay. So normally we use a password. You can instead of password, you can put a PIN number also. But to configure Hello, Windows Hello Face or Hello Finger or a PIN, guys, for compulsory you have to log in with any Microsoft account. Okay. Compulsory Microsoft account is required. For password, picture password, Microsoft account is not required. For face and fingerprint, compulsory that related hardware is required. Okay. Reset options, recovery options also there. So you can go to settings, advanced, recovery, reset this PC. For example, your PC is not running properly. You open one application, it will open with some different application kind of stuff. So reset this PC. So what will happen? Okay. So what happen if you do reset this PC? Your system is going to be resetted. Meaning what? Meaning is so to say simple, I got to screen snip these options just to write on it. Okay. So what will happen, guys, for this option? OS will be reinstalled. OS will be reinstalled. Reinstall Windows. Okay. OS will be reinstalled. Apps will be removed. But you can choose you want to keep your files or you want to remove your files. Okay. So you remove files means all your personal files will be gone. Keep files means your personal files will be there. Absent settings will be removed. Absent settings will be resetted means it is removed and voice will be reinstalled. So that is a reset this PC. It's very rarely required, guys. Most of the time not required. Okay. Very rarely system got a problem, then you do reset this PC. And it will take very long time, 3 4 hours it will take to do the resetting. Second one is advanced startup. What is this advanced startup? Already you know guys, once you click on this restart now, system will be restarted and it will give you restarting options, advanced startup options. So you for a troubleshooting, startup settings, so you will get a advanced startup options. So startup repair, startup settings, UEFI settings means BIOS settings. Okay. System restoration, reset this PC, system image recovery, uninstall Windows updates. These options you can able to get it with the advanced startup option. So you can do that one for troubleshooting. Okay, guys, this is your Windows 10 features inside your PC. Okay. Not only this, guys, there is so many other Windows 10 features are there, including Hyper-V is a one of the beautiful feature, but it is there in a Windows 10 Pro or a Enterprise. Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10 Pro are a Enterprise edition. This Hyper-V feature, using Hyper-V, you can create, you can run different operating system, means different guest operating system you can run on your PC. Okay, that is a Hyper-V. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here it is Windows 10 features, 10 Windows 10 editions. As I said, here it is Hyper-V is available in Pro and Enterprises. But in your system, when you search for Hyper-V, it is not able to find it. Why you cannot able to find it? It is not there. Why it is not there? Because you are a home edition. Guys, generally people using for their personal laptops, mostly it is Windows 10 home editions nowadays. Okay, mostly Windows 8 home edition or Windows 10 or Windows 11 home editions are generally. If in case you want to buy a laptop or a desktop and you want a professional related features, okay, so not basic features, you want some pro features like a Hyper-V, group policy, local group policy kind of stuff, Bitlocker kind of stuff. Okay, so then you have to go for a pro. But home and pro you can purchase as an individual user. Okay, but enterprises only by organization, means I'm want to buy enterprise because I want to get a enterprise features. Individually cannot buy because of it is only for organizational uses. So in that pro to enterprise is very costly, and then enterprise to pro to features not much differences. Okay. In a home edition, you don't get a certain things, guys, like a Hyper-V, local group policies, GP edit dot MSC. It is a local group policy. If I do any policy settings here, it will be applicable on my laptop only. There's so many policies. For example, hide settings tab or a prevent changing color scheme, enable screensaver, prevent changing desktop background. For example, I enable this one. So what is this? Prevent changing desktop background. So the user cannot change the desktop background if I enable this process. Enable, apply, OK. And I done a settings under user configuration. So I need to just sign out and sign in. Just sign out and sign in with my PC. Then when I try to change my desktop background, I cannot change it. Okay, I canceling it. Okay, so like this is somewhat like a settings. Once you done this setting, so it will applicable to your PC and user wise. Okay, so here also it's a computer configuration. Here also you can see there is so many settings are there. So this is applicable on the computer configuration, means on the computer to whatever the user is login, admin login, normal user login to whatever the user login. This policy is applicable to entire computer. This is user base, current user settings. Okay. If you change a setting here, the setting applicable to only the current user or a specific user. Remove adder, remove programs. Okay, like this control panel related, desktop related, network related, shared folders related. Okay, so these are local group policies. In domain environment, group policies are there that is applicable to multiple devices. This local group policy is applicable on my laptop or my desktop only. Applocker is also a part of local group policies. Applocker is also part of local group policies. In this one, you can say only these particular applications can able to accessible kind of stuff. Why it is not showing? It is here it is. Application control policy. This is a Applocker policy. Okay, without a local group policies, you cannot get a Applocker also. Okay. So Applocker is to restrict the access of application based on the application or application versions. Application distributor means the person who build the application. So based on that, which user can able to access, which user cannot access. Policies, no Applocker kind of stuff. BitLocker. What is a BitLocker? So you have a drive. You want to lock the drive with a password. Okay. You have a C drive, D drive. Okay. So on the drive, in that, I'm searching. Okay. So the drive you can able to lock it with a password. So without a password, you cannot able to access the drive. Not every time. One time you open, so you can continuously access. Again, you want to lock it, so you have to restart your PC. So drive will be locked. So you want to anybody you want to access data, they need a password. So and the drive will be encrypted. So it is secure, so it cannot be accessed by others, even through network also. This so is there. Okay. This feature you cannot get in a home editions. You must have a pro edition for that. You cannot join into the domain. So you cannot use these home editions in a organizational level because in organization devices are in the domain. So you cannot join home editions into domains. Okay. Only pro edition or enterprise editions can join into the domain. Okay. Home editions are work group PC only. They cannot join into the domain. So these are the few things about your editions and their differences. Now what happened again? Hmm. Okay, guys, understand somewhat about editions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to manage a system, you must know few things like generally how to install a Windows 10. Even though at least in a virtual machine, how to install a Windows 10. The requirements for to install a Windows 10 is CPU, 1 gigahertz processor or more, minimum 2 GB RAM. So generally we are using Windows 10 64-bit edition. Directly I've written 2 GB RAM minimum. Hard disk, the means the storage is required 20 GB free space. Minimum display is 800, 600 kind of stuff. Okay. So guys, to install either it is Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatsoever it is, first check the minimum requirements. Okay. So find out the minimum requirements to install an operating system, either it is Windows or Linux, anything. Okay. So already you have a machine, then you must know how to manage the disk, how to make a partitions. Okay. What file system you are using. In the file system, what features you are getting, how to add a user, how to add a group, permissions, device management, file sharing, adding a printers, backups, Bitlocker if you are using a home or a enterprise. So better to know where is a Bitlocker. Windows Defender firewall, how to manage the firewall setting kind of stuff. Registries, how to open the registry and check the like things, how to change some registry value based on the requirements. Service management. Okay. How to automate automatic startup, manual startup, disable kind of stuff. Task manager related like a process startups, process management, disk cleanup kind of stuff, power management kind of stuff. So these are the things very basically must know should start. So in this one, I explained already how to download a Windows 10 and how to install a Windows 10 kind of stuff. The post installation, pre-installation, everything. But I'm not going to do that one now. So just I will explain the basics of disk management and how to add a printer kind of stuff after the break. Okay. So take a
Okay, sir.
break, guys.
How minutes, sir?